Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Vscode, Git, and a GitHub account with credentials. Enable two-factor if needed. Once installed, open Vscode and install the official GitHub extension. This links Git features into the editor. Next, open the command palette and run Git, clone, or GitHub. Sign in to authenticate. Make sure you choose an authentication method, browser or token, so Vscode can push and pull securely. Then continue to repository selection. Once signed in, clone your repository from GitHub. Use the repository's view or run Git. Clone and paste the URL. After the clone, configure identity. Git config global user. Name and user. Email so commits show correctly. If you prefer SSH, generate an SSH key pair, add the public key to GitHub, and test with SSH git at GitHub.com. Otherwise, use HTTPS with a personal access token. Then open the workspace and let Vscode index files and show Git. You finish by staging and committing changes in the source control pane. Write concise messages, then push to your branch. Create branches and open pull requests using the GitHub extension to review and merge without leaving the editor. If something goes wrong, authentication errors, push rejections, merge conflicts, first re-authenticate or refresh your token, verify SSH agent is running, and pull the latest branch. Make sure to resolve conflicts locally. Test changes, then commit and push again to complete the workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.